Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate swaps on SushiSwap using MetaMask. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Visit the SushiSwap website. Ensure that your MetaMask wallet is installed and set up. Click on the MetaMask icon in your browser to unlock your wallet. Make sure you are connected to the Ethereum network. Once on the SushiSwap homepage, find and click on the swap option. Check that your wallet address appears at the top of the interface. Select the token you want to swap from in the first drop-down menu. Choose the token you want to receive in the second drop-down. Enter the amount of the first token you wish to swap. Review the estimated values displayed for the transaction. Ensure you have enough tokens in your MetaMask wallet for the swap and gas fees. Click on the Approve button next to the token you are swapping from, if prompted. Confirm the approval transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Once approved, click on the Swap button. A confirmation window will appear detailing the swap. Review the details carefully, including swap rates and fees. Click Confirm Swap if everything looks correct. Your MetaMask wallet will open for transaction confirmation. Review the gas fees and adjust them if necessary. Click Confirm to finalize the swap. Allow a few moments for the transaction to process. You can view your transaction status on the Ethereum blockchain via a block explorer. Once confirmed, you will see the new tokens in your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated and completed a swap on SushiSwap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.